Welcome. Today we're diving into the world of digital trade policy. In our increasingly connected world, digital trade has become a vital part of the global economy. From buying products online to sharing data across borders, digital trade shapes how businesses and consumers interact every day. But what exactly is digital trade policy and why does it matter? Let's start by understanding the basics before we explore the rules, challenges, and opportunities that come with it. Digital trade refers to the exchange of goods and services enabled by digital technologies. This includes everything from e-commerce transactions to the transfer of digital products like software, music, and ebooks. It also covers the movement of data that supports these transactions. As technology evolves, digital trade is becoming more complex and widespread, making it essential for countries to develop policies that support innovation while protecting consumers. Digital trade is not just about buying and selling online. It impacts jobs, economic growth, and how countries compete globally. Businesses of all sizes can reach new markets, and consumers have access to a wider range of products and services. Digital trade also drives innovation, encourages investment, and helps economies recover from disruptions. That's why having clear and fair digital trade policies is so important. Digital trade policy covers a range of topics, including data flows, privacy, cybersecurity, intellectual property, and consumer protection. These policies set the rules for how digital transactions are conducted, how data is handled, and how businesses operate online. By establishing clear guidelines, governments aim to create a safe and predictable environment for digital trade to flourish. One of the most important aspects of digital trade policy is managing cross-border data flows. Data is the lifeblood of digital trade, enabling everything from online payments to cloud computing. Policies must balance the need for free data movement with concerns about privacy and security. Countries often negotiate agreements to ensure data can move smoothly while protecting sensitive information. Protecting personal data is a top priority in digital trade policy. Different countries have different standards for privacy, which can make international trade challenging. Policies often require businesses to be transparent about how they collect and use data and to give consumers control over their information. Strong privacy rules help build trust in digital markets. Cybersecurity is essential for safe digital trade. Policies focus on protecting networks, systems, and data from cyber threats. This includes setting standards for encryption, requiring companies to report breaches, and encouraging international cooperation. Effective cybersecurity policies help prevent fraud, theft, and disruptions that can harm businesses and consumers. Digital trade policy also addresses intellectual property rights, ensuring that creators and businesses are rewarded for their innovations. This includes protecting copyrights, trademarks, and patents in the digital space. Clear rules help prevent piracy and encourage investment in new technologies, benefiting both creators and consumers. Consumers need to feel safe when shopping or using services online. Digital trade policies set rules for fair advertising, secure payments, and dispute resolution. These protections help build confidence in digital markets, making it easier for people to participate in global trade from the comfort of their homes. Countries often negotiate digital trade agreements to set common rules and standards. These agreements can cover everything from data flows to e-signatures, making it easier for businesses to operate internationally. By harmonizing regulations, digital trade agreements help reduce barriers and promote economic growth. E-commerce platforms and digital services are at the heart of digital trade. Policies must address issues like online payments, digital contracts, and consumer rights. As more people shop and work online, governments are updating their rules to keep up with new business models and technologies. Strong digital infrastructure is crucial for digital trade. This includes reliable internet connections, secure data centers, and advanced technologies. Governments invest in infrastructure to support businesses and ensure everyone can participate in the digital economy, no matter where they live. Digital trade policies also focus on inclusion, making sure everyone has access to digital opportunities. This means addressing the digital divide and ensuring that small businesses, rural communities, and disadvantaged groups are not left behind. Inclusive policies help create a fairer and more prosperous digital economy. Creating effective digital trade policies is not easy. Countries have different laws, cultures, and priorities. Issues like data localization, censorship, and digital taxes can create friction. Policymakers must balance national interests with the need for global cooperation, making digital trade policy a complex and evolving field. Some countries require that data about their citizens be stored locally. This is known as data localization. While it can enhance privacy and security, it may also increase costs for businesses and limit international trade. Policymakers must weigh these trade-offs when designing digital trade rules. As digital businesses grow, governments are looking for ways to tax online activities. Digital taxes can help ensure that companies pay their fair share, but they can also create disputes between countries. Finding common ground on digital taxation is a key challenge for policymakers. Some governments regulate online content to protect citizens or maintain social order. However, these rules can also restrict free expression and create barriers to digital trade. Balancing regulation with openness is a delicate task for digital trade policymakers. New technologies like artificial intelligence, blockchain, and the Internet of Things are transforming digital trade. Policies must adapt to address new risks and opportunities, ensuring that innovation can thrive while protecting users and markets. Digital trade is global by nature. Countries must work together to set common standards, resolve disputes, and promote open markets. International organizations like the World Trade Organization play a key role in facilitating cooperation and negotiation. The World Trade Organization (WTO) helps set the rules for global trade, including digital trade. The WTO encourages transparency, fairness, and cooperation among its members, helping to resolve disputes and promote a stable trading environment. Developing countries face unique challenges in digital trade, such as limited infrastructure and digital skills gaps. Policies and international support can help these countries build capacity, participate in global markets, and benefit from digital opportunities. Small businesses can benefit greatly from digital trade, reaching new customers and markets online. Policies that support digital skills training, access to technology, and fair competition help small businesses thrive in the digital economy. Digital trade creates new job opportunities in areas like e-commerce, digital marketing, and IT services. However, it can also disrupt traditional industries. Policies should support workers through training and education, helping them adapt to the changing economy. Innovation is at the heart of digital trade. Policies that encourage research, investment, and entrepreneurship help drive new ideas and technologies. By fostering a supportive environment, governments can help their economies stay competitive in the digital age. Sustainability is becoming more important in digital trade policy. This includes reducing the environmental impact of digital infrastructure and promoting green technologies. Sustainable policies help ensure that digital trade benefits both people and the planet. Security is a top concern in digital trade. Policies must address threats like hacking, fraud, and cyberattacks. By setting clear rules and investing in security, governments can protect businesses and consumers in the digital marketplace. Trust is essential for digital trade to succeed. Policies that protect privacy, ensure transparency, and resolve disputes fairly help build trust among businesses and consumers. Trustworthy digital markets encourage more participation and growth. Digital trade policy will continue to evolve as technology advances and new challenges arise. Policymakers must stay flexible, adapting rules to support innovation, protect users, and promote global cooperation. The future of digital trade depends on smart, forward-thinking policies. To sum up, digital trade policy covers a wide range of issues from data flows and privacy to innovation and inclusion. Effective policies help create a safe, fair, and dynamic digital marketplace. By understanding the basics, we can better appreciate the opportunities and challenges that digital trade brings to our world. Digital trade policy is shaping the future of our global economy. As technology continues to advance, these policies will play an even bigger role in our lives. By staying informed and engaged, we can help ensure that digital trade benefits everyone, creating new opportunities and a more connected world.